This has to be one of the easiest ways to make money on Fiverr without any skills, because in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you how a brand new AI tool can complete your services in Fiverr to make money without actually doing the work yourself. And I also want to show you how to actually rank high on Fiverr so you can make money even if you have a brand new Fiverr account. And I also want to share some tips and tricks that I have learned along the way so that you can hopefully save time and get better results with your Fiverr selling account if you create a Fiverr account. And let's begin with step number 1. So first things first, you just want to go over to fiverr.com and then create an absolutely brand new account. And you also want to sign up as a seller here in Fiverr. Now the service that we will be selling, and one of the highest selling service right now that not a lot of people are talking about, is creating these food packaging labels. Now this is just one of the services. You can sell there thousands of different examples, but in this particular case you can see that there are only 3800 plus services available for creative food packaging labels, but there's literally millions of people that need a service like this. Now one of the things you can do is you can go over to a platform called Pacdora.com. It is a website where you have over 4,000 different templates for packaging, designs and mockups. So there's literally almost 3,000 packaging mockups that you can use and customize for your own needs. And it's kind of easy to do all of this because it's pretty much done for you. You literally just have to select the product. If you want to go with food packaging mockups, and you just click on food packaging mockups, you can find one that you need. It depends on what your client actually needs. If you need like perfume bottles, then you will just have to find that you just search for a bottle, find the one that suits your need. You will just click on it. You can select the materials. In this case, I will just go with a plastic glossy material on the left hand side. You have a background, you can add videos, and most importantly over here, you can fully customize that product. And in this case, you can customize the materials. Now most importantly over here, you actually want to upload the design. And if you don't have anything created, then you can just start adding different elements from the left hand side and you can fully customize it here instead of this tool. I'm going to select one of the templates just as an example here, and once you're done adding your design, you can just click on save. If you don't have anything created, you can just start adding different elements from the left hand side and you can fully customize it. Once you are done adding your design, you can just click on save and you can have your bottle created just like this. So this is a mock-up that I have now export in 3D, and I can have a video of this exact same product. So if I preview this, here's the example video that I can get just one press of a button. Or if I want this, I can do it, I can do that, or I want this. Here's an example video, so you can literally create videos of with this just one press of a button. So this tool is really helpful for graphic designing services, for packaging, modeling, and for overall creating these different videos for different campaigns and brands. And again, this is just one of the services that you can sell here on Fiverr. You can easily complete with this AI tool, which is pretty much do the work for you, and you can export those videos with just one press of a button. Literally just click on super export. If you don't know how to create those designs from scratch that you can upload to Pacdora, you can just go to a tool like Canva or Photoshop, search for label designs and ads, and you can customize them from scratch. And as you fully customize it, you can just click on share, click download as a PNG file, search for the template of your choice. You can just click share, download this as a PNG file, and you can go back, then again just upload your design here, and you can also drag this to make sure if it fits properly, and just click on save. And this is how my new perfume is going to look like. This is pretty awesome. Now I can just click on super export, and now I can export this mockup into a full on video, as well as I can just select the template here. I personally just like the most basic one, and then I will just export this with one press of a button. I will just have to wait for a couple of seconds and I will have that done for me. Now my entire video is currently being exported, and that thing literally took me less than a minute to create with Pacdora. And you can sell this for hundreds of dollars back in Fiverr. For example, this person is charging for exact same service in 77.07 euro, and they have 28 orders in queue. Get this service done for $100 with the most basic plan, and little bit more standard plans which probably include these mockups and videos are 144 euro, and the premium one is 240 euro for this exact same service for them, that it would take them 5 days to deliver, because they probably do everything from scratch, like the rendering, creating the design and creating these videos and whatnot and animating all of that. And for you it literally takes less than 10 minutes to do everything from scratch, and you can deliver that service in way shorter time, so that people don't have to wait in queue for days and days to get the exact same quality service, or probably even better. And that's just one of the ways that you can use Pecdora.com, which again I will leave in the description box down below, so you can try Pecdora for completely free, and you can use it for your Fiverr services, or you can use it to create your own designs like I did with my own new perfume. Anyways, I really hope you got some value out of this video. I really hope you have learned something new, and if you did, make sure to drop a like down below, and I will see you next time.